Students, today's topic is development. This is the chapter number 1 of your economics of class 10th. Student development. Development means there is a positive change that come in every person life. A person having a cycle that purchase a car, this is a development. A person having a car, he purchase a chartered plane in their future is called development. Means anything, any positive change that come in your life is called development. Students, when a development comes, it is very good for a person, but it not means that it is good for all, because if a person having a car, it's development for him, but what the pollution that car has done, it's very much harmful to all. So development of one is not a development of all. The second topic is income and other goals. Students, a person has a need of income, but with the income he has some other goals also. Take example of a Hindu family. A Hindu family has need of income, but he cannot open a chicken shop, not a mutton shop, because in Hindu religion it is not so good to open a chicken or mutton shop. But if you compare this with other kinds of family, then they are ready for that. Take example of a girls or boys. There is a job in which the timing is such many, the timing is so much avoidable. Timing is not so good. The timing is from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. A girl candidate cannot be ready to do the job, but if you take example of a boy can ready to do the work. Here the situation depends that a person join a job or not. For a girl child, it is not good to join a job that is 11 p.m. 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. in the night, but for a boys in the society there is no any kind of problem for joining the job. So a boy can easily join the job, but girls cannot join that same job. Here the next topic is national development. National development. A national development is a overall development. When a person develop itself, it's a family develop. When it's family develop, there is a society development come. When society develop, by the society the state develop, and by the help of a state the nation develop. So for a national development, there is a overall development is needed. Now if you talk about development, there are some topics, there are some points on which the development is counted. Take example, there is an average income. Average income is a source by using which World Bank shows that which is one of the developed country and which one is not a developed country. In average income, the total sum of the income of the country is divided by the total number of people living in that country. If you talk about this, income is a one part, but some other things are also other parts. A report that is made for a developed country has some other points. The points are what? There is a health facility, there is a transportation facility, there is an infrastructure facility, there is education facility, what is HDI, what is IMR. So on overall thinking, on overall development, the countries decided that that particular country is developed or not. It not only means that he has a great income, then the country is very much developed country. Here some things are also considered, like which kind of public facilities are available in your country and not. Take example of India and England. In England there is a medical facility available to all, but in India there is no medical facility given by the government. In England every citizen has a medical claim or medical facility given by the government, but what we find in our country, we have to pay money against of the medical claim or against of the medical treatment what we take. So these are also some factor on which our development has count. Now for development, a lots of work are doing that, but after doing a lots of work, we have to also maintain some framework, because our today's development is a good thing, but we have also consider our future, and this is called sustainable development. Sustainable development is one of those development in which our present is safe, our present is good, but in future we have some good thing, or we cannot spoil our future. Take example of China. China is a great country having a lots of production, but due to that production the pollution level of China is so great, so there is an emergency holiday has come in China. What is this? This shows that there is no proper development happen in China. So this is not a sustainable development. Sustainable development means a source that can help us in present. This is also available in future. Take an example of solar lamp or solar light. In solar, the electricity is generated today, also in future. There is no problem in future. But you take an example of petrol, coal and etc. This is very good in present, but if you use more and more in present, then in future they are not exist. This is an example by which we learn what are the importance of sustainable development for a country. Thank you.